Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Desi of Desi Slays. If you're new here and you do like what you see, please give me a thumbs up on any one of my videos or all of them. Thank you so much for rocking with me, especially those day oneers that's been with me since day one. Also, if you have a YouTube channel that you want me to check out, go ahead and drop the name down in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to give you a follow and check out your channel and see what you got going on. So today I didn't want to do something crazy, but lately I've been trying to figure out an everyday routine for something that I could just throw together for everyday looks. Like for when I can't just beat my face really good, then I could just take some simple steps to do quick and easy look. I didn't practice this look, so you're just gonna have to watch and see. Okay, to begin, I did go ahead and already did my eyebrows for you off camera, but I did try to go for a little bit of a natural looking brow fill today. Try to make it look as natural as possible. As most of you that have already been following me know, I like to start with my face by doing my eyebrows first, so I've already gone ahead and done that, and then from there I like to go ahead and do my eyes. So today we're gonna get started and we're gonna go in with the eyes. Now to go ahead and prime my eyelids for eyeshadow, I am gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the number 10. So I usually like to take that concealer and just kind of paint a line under my brows. And I like to keep it as far away from my brows as possible because I do go in with a flat brush and actually carve out the brow with that. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with my right eye first. I like to go in with a flat concealer brush. This one is a Morphe MB10. So I just take that brush and I start I got my brows carved. I just like to blend that down onto the eyelid, onto my eyelids, and cover it all up. Okay, and since this is gonna be like an everyday wearable, I guess also beginner friendly type of look, I'm not gonna add any more extra concealer down here. I'm just gonna use what I already have and blend it out as much as possible. I always like to blend it out with the brush, and then I go in and take my finger, rub it together, make it a little bit warm to help warm up the concealer. And I like to go ahead and I use my ring finger and pat that in. Try and get my eyelids primed, ready for eyeshadow. I like to go back over with my finger and buff out any of the creases I see. And take my beauty blender and dip it into, today we're using Airspun. Since it's an everyday look, I just want to go ahead and keep it, you know, as natural looking as possible. So this color here, the first color that I put is just a natural looking color, and I'm just gonna take, I guess, a fluffy brush and then just blend it out more. This one is a Morphe M502 brush. So now I'm going to go in with my Morphe M518 brush. Brush, dip it into my gel liner like so, and so I like to just make a thin line right above my lashes. You see the difference that false lashes make? See, this side is my natural lashes curled, and this side is my Wispies by Ardell. My favorite lashes to use. And there you have it. We've got the eyes all done. Brows, shadow, and lashes. So next thing is gonna be to kind of make my skin look a little bit more, I guess, awake. So I'm just gonna go in with a very thin layer of foundation. Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation and Concealer. It's a 2-in-1, and I'm in the color medium beige. I've already got my damp beauty blender here. So I'm gonna go in with this Cover FX blurring primer to go ahead and find my pores. And again, not too much. Now I feel like this is too much, but we'll work with it. I'm just gonna take my foundation brush. This is a Morphe M444 brush. I'm just gonna take that and buff out my foundation. So then just take the beauty sponge and just make sure everything is well blended. I like to take that and go over the brush in case the brush left any like stippling brush strokes on my face. I am going to take my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in light, and this concealer I have found a little bit goes a very long way, so I'm just gonna use a little, maybe like that much. G34 brush. We are gonna take our LA Girl Pro Concealer, Pro Powder High Definition Setting Powder to set the places that were concealed. This Pure Sculpture palette by Pure, and take one of these shades, take a lighter shade to contour my nose. I'm just going to take this G41 brush. Before I do that though, I am going to go ahead and brush off the powders I have on my face using a Morphe G5 brush. To this color called Inventor, and just a little bit, and sculpt my nose. I always do this. I'm supposed to do a natural everyday look, but then I go ahead and put it into a full-on drag look. So go ahead and take the same Morphe G5 brush and just take some bronzer and go into my face. This is a Wet n Wild color icon in Bikini Contest. I'm going to dip my brush very lightly. Actually not going to use any contour for this look. It's just going to be, we're just using bronzer. Get some blush. Of course we want it to look as you know, everyday look as possible. To tone down my a little bit of redness, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this darker color here and just blend that into my bronzer on my cheeks. See the difference? Lip gloss, and this is Cinnamon by Sobee Lit. And there you have it. Here's the final look. Okay guys, and there you have it. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed watching me put it together. I do appreciate you. If you like what you see, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And like I mentioned earlier, if you have a channel that you want me to check out, go ahead and leave the name of your channel down in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to give you a follow as well as check out what you have. If you enjoyed this look and you want to see more looks like this, go ahead and please let me know in the comment section. If you have a certain request that you do want to see, please feel free, don't be shy, go ahead and leave that for me as well, and I'll be more than happy to try to deliver. Again, this is the look, a simple everyday look. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, happy slaying.